video is all about rice water, the science, 5 benefits for hair, how to make plain and fermented rice water, how to use rice water correctly, how often should you use rice water, signs of protein overload, mistakes, and who should not use rice water. Hi queens, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Annie, a med student, and on this channel we talk hair science and also dissect a whole lot of natural ingredients. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. So without any further ado, let's dive into what this video is all about. The ancient secret from the Yao women in China who have 6 feet hair is rice water. But if you do it wrong, it will make your hair worse. Let's get into the science, and I promise to keep it simple. Rice water is the starchy water left after you soak or boil rice. But we're not just using it because it is trendy. It contains inositol, amino acids, vitamins B and E, and antioxidants. Inositol is the magic. It penetrates the hair and stays there even after rinsing. It repairs damage from the inside. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that rice water improved hair elasticity and reduced surface friction. Why? 4 reasons. Number 1, inositol. It repairs damaged hair and protects it. Number 2, amino acids. Amino acids are building blocks of protein. They strengthen hair. Number 3, starch. Starch coats hair to make it smooth and shiny. And number 4, pH of 6. That is slightly higher than hair, so it opens cuticles slightly to deposit nutrients. Time to talk benefits of rice water for hair. Benefit number 1, it strengthens hair and reduces breakage. The amino acids fill gaps in damaged cuticles. Less breakage leads to length retention, and this is key for a hair of high porosity. Benefit number 2, it improves elasticity. Healthy hair stretches and bounces back. Rice water gives hair that strength so it doesn't snap. Benefit number 3, it adds shine and smoothness. The starch coats the hair shaft. Light reflects off it, and that leads to instant shine. Benefit number 4, it supports hair growth. Inositol stays in hair even after washing. It repairs and protects so hair can grow longer. Benefit number 5, it helps to detangle and add slip. The protein smooths the cuticle down. Combing becomes 10 times easier. How to make rice water? Method 1, plain rice water, and this is for beginners. You get your rice, you add a cup of water, you soak for 30 minutes, then you swirl it, you strain, you use it immediately. And it is best for a hair of low porosity, and a hair of low porosity should use it once per month, because you have enough protein on your hair already. So this method is best for a hair of low porosity. Method number 2, fermented rice water for maximum results. You get your rice, you add cups of water or a cup of water, depending on the rice quantity. Then you soak 24 to 48 hours until it smells slightly sour. Or you can boil for 5 minutes to kill bacteria. Then you cool, you strain, you store it in the fridge. It can last for a week. And this method is best for a hair of medium porosity to a hair of high porosity. A hair of medium to high porosity needs more inositol, you need more protein. So this method is best for your hair type. Now, while using rice water, you should focus more on mid-length to the end, not the scalp. You can massage scalp for 2 minutes, right? But your focus should be on the length of your hair. Then after using it, you can leave it for 20 minutes maximum. Then you rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. And always follow up with deep conditioning. Alright, protein needs moisture. Now, how often can you use rice water? For a hair of low porosity, 1 time per month. This is the maximum. For hair of medium porosity, 1 time every 3 weeks. 1 time every 3 weeks. And for a hair of high porosity, this treatment is for you. This treatment is mainly for a hair of high porosity. So you can use this 1 time every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. Now let me tell you signs of protein overload. Your hair feels stiff, dry, brittle, and it snaps easily. If this happens, stop protein treatment for 6 weeks. Start using only moisture. Time to talk mistakes and who should not use rice water. So please pay attention to this. This is very, very important. Mistake number 1, leaving it overnight. 20 minutes maximum is like too long, leads to protein overload. Mistake number 2, not using conditioner after using rice water. Moisture and no protein will make your hair straw-like. Balance is key. Mistake number 3, using rice water every week. Too much protein makes hair brittle. Now, who should not use rice water? If you have a protein-sensitive hair, rice water is not for you. It will make your hair hard, so skip it. Use aloe vera or flaxseed instead. Now, here is the truth. Rice water is the protein treatment for a hair of medium porosity to a hair of high porosity. It is cheap, it works, but balance is everything. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. What are your thoughts? You can leave them for me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, alright, and join the family. Until next time, my ladies, do not forget to water your hair as always. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.